I don't know if that's correct or not. So I have to check. Just give me a moment and then we can start. It's YouTube, and also if someone is joining today, I should have my studio open, content live, and okay, open studio, split. Now I want to lo-fi. Okay. Okay, this lo-fi music is, I think I should download it because it's changing every day, the title. But anyway, hopefully you guys can hear it and it's not too loud. Let me start with something simpler. Okay, cool. Okay, ignore this part. This is not important to us. Okay, great. Now, what I want to do, also, I completely forget committing the code. FPMM subgraph, no, FPMM event handlers and config schema, not config. We have done config already. Git push. Yeah, with this done, I think I'm good. Let me just check few things. I'm just Give me a second. I'm here. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comments. I'll answer those. Okay. So let's start today's stream, and we are working on this, right? We have few more things to do. So to do more updates. Let's go to Polymarket FPMM, and having these things is very useful. All these extra functions. Also, somewhere we did, yeah, here we did use this one. Effects. Okay, this is these are related tasks. Also, let me zoom in so you guys can see. NVO site. Check out NVO at nvo.dev. Check out documentation. Then Polymarket Index, sir. Polymarket Indexer. NVO. Oh shit. We forgot to. I forgot to put a tweet out that I'm live. Let me just check. Okay. Okay. Hey. Hi. Not sure who is there, but thanks for joining. Just drop a comment and let me know you're joining the stream. Okay. Also, sorry about this. I'm doing some work, so just give me a break. J- I'm just getting some, what do you call this, alerts from the job, and yeah, so I was just checking that. But anyway, now that we are here, I still haven't I still haven't done the tweet. Live now. We are doing, yeah. I'm still working. working on Polymarket indexer with NVO. Today we will finish the FPMM, buy and sell part, event handlers. Live link. Okay, this is great. Now let me name few things. Okay, I was trying to find the Polymarket indexer, right? It should be at the top. Yes, it is. Copy it and paste it in the comments. Repo. Okay, that's pretty funny. This part we have to do update fee fields, function update fee fields. Now we'll take FPMM, fixed product market maker T, then fee amount. Okay, let's just use that decimal FT and just return FPMM. That's fine. Go at the top, just put dummy value. No, don't put dummy values, put actual values, and we'll do the logic part now. FPMM, then fee fields. Okay. Okay, I guess this is straightforward. Fee volume equal to fee volume plus this one, then okay. Okay, let me check if what this does. I'm not sure if it updates. Chat.com. Does this take old fee volume or updated in collateral field? No, not collateral, scaled. Okay, it takes the old one. So we can modify it. Just put this part out, the new field calculation, and rest inside this. So we still get all the benefits. Like this is smaller instead of having like two, as you see here. Not here. Wrong example. Okay, still I don't know how I do this. But it's still the wrong example. Okay. Cool. We have updated that. Final thing is FPMM equal to FPMM. Okay, increment is like +1, right? Utils maths and okay, +1. Okay, this is also good. If you are doing it multiple times, it's better to have function in okay. I don't think so. Can we do go here, open trades quantity plus. Okay, maybe we should have function increment x big int x +1. Yes, that's correct. Now we need to do buys quantity increment. Why only buys? Oh no, this is buy function. That's why we are incrementing buy. Okay, that's awesome. Now final is context dot fixed product market maker dot set FPMM. Now record by. Here we just need to do this thing. It's await context. No, not await. Context dot FPMM transaction dot set, and we'll just put everything inside this. Oh, right. We need to do everything. By then timestamp is this. Market is event dot source address. Okay, there is some issue. What's the issue? Understood. Let me go here, open this market ID. Transaction. Let's go to config and config. We haven't done, I guess, PNPM code gen. Okay, that one got resolved. Market ID. Next is user, which is event.buyer. Trade amount is investment amount, fee amount, outcome index, outcome tokens. Okay, what's the issue here? Okay, it says this is okay. For now, we can just do like big int. Okay, outcome tokens amount. With this, we have our first function. First event handler, not function. So just keep that in mind. Also, it's already 20 minutes, so 1/3 of the time is over. No, I should move my camera somewhat, not down, up. Yes. Okay. Cool. Let me push this. Git add, git commit. FPMM by event handler completed. Okay, there should be some refactoring now. We can push this in different. Also, I want to check where we are using Max. Okay, nowhere. So, excellent. Export. We completed this. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more. Update fields, update. Okay, we'll put update in one file. Then calculate price and nth root in one file, and maths in one file. Utils. Okay, rename. I need to delete this. Delete. New folder. Utils. Calculate prices. Update fields. And root. Maths. Okay, let's start with maths. Yeah, now that makes sense. Maths, remove this. Go to maths and do export. Increment. Now we need to push all the update field related things, and this will import all of that. Just hold on. Then cut this, go here. Okay, fixed. No. Okay, that's done. We'll do big decimal generated. Oh, we also need that's my no, I guess we don't need to. Okay, we need trade type and timestamp date, timestamp d. So that function should be here. Import this type of. Okay, this is the only error. Give me a second. Okay, so let me start where I left. We need to put this somewhere. Oh, they did it. Okay, time. That makes sense. New file, time.ts. Export. Time stamp today. Okay, this does work. Next, we need to update all of this. Update. No. Have we done export? No. Let me do export. Now we'll do update. This was. I'm completely losing this. Okay, this was liquidity. Update liquidity fields. Update volumes. Update key fields. Okay, at the top, let's see, remove the time, we don't need that, no need for that also. Okay, this looks good. New file, event, no, event ID, or what's the name? What's the name? Okay, get, instead of key, should we do like ID? That makes sense for us. New file, export. Okay, okay, that's good. Collateral scale. Okay, this part is related to collateral token, but I think that's the only part, right? Rest is symbol. These three are just fetching the data, and this is updating. So in our case, these will be effect functions, or just you can just call them effects. So okay, don't think that much, just do collateral token.ts, cut this, go here, handler context. Okay, great. Export, get collateral scale, and that should give us some idea, sorry, some refactoring, and this just needs to go in correct field, correct place. Export, great. Go at the top, do calculate prices, and final one is nth root. Export, what changes is it suggesting? Okay, not handler context, nth root. Great. Now we just need to do refactor and refactor utils functions. Move the utils function to their own files instead of being an handler. No, to new files. Functions under utils folder. What happened? Oh, you can do GA and then GCM. Cool. That's that's awesome. Let's close all of this. We just need schema and this one. So buy is done. Now let's go to sell. We have to do almost the same thing, but with not even the same value. Okay, maybe same value, but let's see. In update volume, update volume. Where is volume? Okay, buy sell. We are doing if else statements, so that's great. I think I'll ask ChatGPT to refactor this, which is good. That way I will have smaller, what do you call this? Smaller event handlers. Event handlers. This this one I was talking about. Let's remove this. Go to config and okay. This text reference from this whole thing and just paste it here or references it here. So that way we don't have to copy paste everything every time. Let's do pnpm code gen. Okay. Fixed product market maker dot fpmm cell handler context. Okay, let's start. Load fpmm. Okay, old amounts. Return amount plus fee. Okay, outcome index is here. Let's compare it to this. Okay, investment amount plus fees. Yeah, minus fees. Here it's saying return amount plus fees. Let's do that. Let return amount plus fees equal to event dot params dot return amount plus fees. Outcome index let new amounts equal to old amounts array product. Okay, I'll just do this like plus minus thing. Okay, that's great. Let's now we need to do FEMM, new token, calculate price, and through. Okay, liquidity parameters will be used. Update. Okay, uh, everything is good. Now let me ask Copilot to aggregate this. Not aggregate, refactor this. Sorry, I'm forgetting the words. So I forgot that my video was off, but you guys can still hear me. So I don't think there was any issue. Okay, I'm back now. Let's. I was going to ask Copilot to refactor this, right? Open chat, agent, refactor these two functions. There is a lot of common things, right? So maybe there is a chance that we can refactor. So let's see. Mm, mm, Use I I want to like listen to Linkin Park while working on this, but I don't think that will be allowed. Like just copyright thing. So I'm not adding it. But I do like Linkin Park. Listening to Linkin Park while working. So yeah, Linkin. Anyway, let's see. It's still working on this. title for now. I guess it is completed. So let me see. FPMM trade context event any context any type buy sell. Okay, I don't really like the any part. I need like a specific thing. But let's see what it comes up with. Okay, that's, I don't know what to call this, like terrifying or good, but yeah. Where is the event handler? This is sell, this is buy. Okay, let's do keep, like keep everything. I don't mind. I just want to check. I just want to check this like event and context. So context will always be handler context. So that's okay. Which is big int minus fees. Okay, yes. So that's the thing. You see, adding any here doesn't allow us to figure out FPMM. Event or sell event. Does that solve issues? No, it does not. Investment amount. Okay. What's available on event dot params dot, oh, okay, maybe not a very good idea, because I want to do like, sorry, I want to do type save things, not any. I don't want to use any. And parameters block. Okay, args. In the arguments it should be available, right? Not here. I just picked the wrong one, like yeah, on this I do have access to that, but here it's saying it doesn't have that. Okay, no, let's go back to what we had previously instead of abstracting this. Okay, great. Let me do pnpm code gen and just run the indexer for one time. pnpm dev, it should be, it should run without any error. Okay, and it doesn't. So file to load handlers for contract fixed product market maker FPMM handlers. Okay, failed to load handlers. Let me see. This file is FPMM handlers fixed product market maker.ts, and here am I doing this correct? Source FPMM handlers. Let me copy relative path. I know I'm gonna get an error again, but give me a second. Failed to load file, or this is crashing UI. I know this is just an import error. Generator module does not have trait type. Update fields. Okay, where is update fields? Trait type. Okay, it's generated doesn't have it. I do know that, but I also know we imported trait type. I guess I have to check this. Source, then FPMM, not factory, FPMM handlers, FPMM. Okay, not here also. By event and browse files. Source handlers FPMM, and okay, trait type is not here. Let's go here and generate. It's saying it's not available in generated. But I know it is. You see? Okay, maybe we are getting this error first, and that's why a second error is happening and indexer is getting blocked. Okay, so if we go to generated, and you can see we already have the trait type, Should I do like pnpm code gen, and maybe that will show us something different? No, nothing good happens when CLI takes time to execute. Okay, then can I do like buy, sell? I'll just remove this. Let's try to run it again. Okay, it runs. There is no new action item on our list, which is debug y, debug trade type import and update fields .ts. I'll just do okay. Trade type import is not valid, and trade type import from generated is not valid, and that is throwing an error. But I can I guess I can no, but I can see that in generated index file of generated folder that there is a named export for trade type. Okay, we'll do like trade type and just no, not I just want to remove this part. Okay, cool. This is good enough. Let me push this once more. What did we do here? Sell. FPMM sell event handler added. Git push. Okay. Great. Final thing. If okay, we are already about to reach our 1 hour mark, so I'm going to end the stream. Before I end the stream, let me just tell you that go check out NVO. I have put the site in the comments. Then check out the docs. If you like the NVO, join the Discord. If you have any questions about NVO, both product, there are two products, HyperSync and HyperIndex. Check them out. If you have any questions, I'll be in the Discord where you guys can ask the questions, and I'll be there to help you with that. And Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I want to go to 100. I wanted to do that in 2025, but I wasn't able to. So just click a subscribe button. Um, I don't know. It just boosts my ego, maybe. But yeah, seeing that number rise, it does make me feel that I should create more technical content. So yeah, just please do subscribe and see you guys here tomorrow, same time, 3 p.m. UTC. If you want to learn more about Polymarket and its indexer. So happy rest of your day and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.